Hey Google, define compostable.
Compostable is used as an adjective to mean of organic matter, especially kitchen waste, able to be made into compost.
What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and I got my iPhone 12 Pro Max on deck, and I have some cases from Nimbus9. Shout out to Nimbus9. Now, these cases are something different, guys, that I haven't really seen on the market. Very interesting, and we're gonna talk about it. So this is the Nimbus9 Vega case. In this case, it's protected. We know that. We know it got a raised lip, things of that nature. I could see from the packaging it's raised up around the camera, which is something that I need from cases now because every phone got a big bezel. But it's 100% compostable, guys. So we living on this planet, gotta take care of this planet. A lot of stuff is real, guys. The impact that human beings are having on the planet to a degree is terrible. But this is actually a case, actually an accessory for your iPhone where you can really have an impact, because this is 100% compostable. Like I said before the video started, I had Google read the definition, and basically, guys, these cases will actually kind of biodegrade. They won't leave a real impact on the earth after you're done with them, after they've been thrown away, after they've been recycled, things of that nature. So it's very dope. It's nothing that will leave there's nothing that'll go into the ocean and won't degrade, and then a whale will eat it and the whale will pass away, things of that nature, guys. So yeah, they're 100% compostable, something very different. And let's just go ahead and take a look at them. So what we got is the colorway is actually, let me take a look at the back, guys. This is actually the granite. This is the granite. As you can see, it's almost like a black colorway, but you see some type of, material dots in the mix, because I'm sure however they made this case was a very different process from the normal case making, and things that like paint and things of that nature couldn't be applied. And this is actually the sandstone. So this is the sandstone, this is the granite, and they're 100% compostable. So that's very dope. If you into things like that, I find things like that very interesting, because like I said, the effect that the human beings are having on the earth, that that's our habitat, is terrible, But anyway, moving on. We're gonna go ahead, we're just gonna try this out. Now, this is a dope look, guys. I like this look on this case. I like the sandstone look. It's almost like, it reminds me of marble, guys. It reminds me of marble. And the packaging is also compostable. That's the word we're going to use, compostable. And here we got some more from Nimbus9, how to compose your Vegas case. All right, it's 100%, which means it will, if you put it in a compost and leave it, any harmful plastics, it won't leave any harmful plastics behind. Save the planet one case at a time. You can pause this and read it for yourself. But here it is. We've got this is actually the sandstone, and it's got a different type feel to it, guys. It's kind of got it's got a nice grip to it, just a little slick, but it's a little slick in hand. But as you can see, we got some nice structured ribbon around the edges, and that's for drop protection. So still and you see we structured around the camera, so still a very, very sturdy case, guys, and good for protection. Just a little different. We don't have the real sense buttons. As you can see, we got Nimbus9 branding, plant-based materials, 100% compostable, if you could catch that. But very unique case, guys. And this is the way that things should be going, because we gotta save the planet. We want to be here for a long time. And very easy install on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, as you can see. And nice, simple case, guys. And I like the look. I really like the look. It's a nice soft grip. Still got a nice button press. Now you see how it's cut out around them buttons. A lot of case companies need to take note of, as you can see how Nimbus9 really cuts the put a nice little cut around the button so you can still get that effective button press without it being. Some of these TPU cases, when they think of, oh my goodness, the button press is like a hand exercise. But yeah, so you can see we got nice cutouts, nice big cutouts on the bottom, nice protection around the camera, nice button press, and a raised lip, guys, and a raised lip. So this is very eco-friendly right here, and if you're into that, this is a very dope case for you. It's still a protective case, still will protect your phone, but very eco-friendly. And that's just something you can, yeah, I'm eco-friendly. Brother, I have the Nimbus9 Vega, 100% compostable case. What kind of case are you rocking? So this is the sandstone. We're gonna get into the granite. I don't know why my hands are acting like it can't uninstall the case, but there we go. Now we're gonna get into the granite. And our same packaging, just different colors, same case. So as you can see, we got the granite. It's like a black colorway with some brown specks. Like I said, they couldn't. This is a natural look, guys. If you into natural and you're into nature and things of that nature, this is for you. And this is just, I think this is a great idea, guys. This is something nobody's ever done before. We first, you know, I've seen case companies do the antimicrobial for the germs, things of that nature. We need that also in these times, definitely. But something that's 100% compostable and still very useful. That is a key to longevity, I believe, guys. But same nice little cutout for the camera, same cutouts at the bottom of the case, just a different colorway, guys. Nice, same raised lip. So yeah, it's your man BG Tech Life, guys. Thanks for watching. Shout out to Nimbus9 for sending these cases over. If you're not follow me on Instagram, Twitter, BG_Tech Life. It's your man BG, and I'm out. Peace.